Okay, for you to set your tables, you need to have dinner plate to set here. Okay, but then when you set the tables for decoration, you don't call this as dinner plate. We call this as show plate. Okay, or charger plate. Okay, either charger plate or show plate lah. Okay, so show plate is put in the middle. Use your thumb, okay, for you to measure. Alright, your thumb has different size, right? Some your small thumb, some your big large thumb. Alright, so follow your thumb. Alright, so you look into here. Alright, and then next is where you set your tables. How to set your tables? Okay, remember the 4 courses: appetizer, soup, main course and dessert. Remember this: outside to inside. What does it mean outside to inside? Means start from appetizer through main course and dessert. Right? So start with the appetizer. The appetizer will be the outside part. So we are using the appetizer fork and appetizer knife. Okay, this is the basic. Okay, so appetizer knife is on the right side, left side. Remember this. Don't put fork on the right side. Remember that, right? So appetizer knife outside. Use your thumb, okay, and then your thumb also here. That is for appetizer. The next course is soup. So soup, remember the single soup, the single spoon here. Alright. Then after that you have your main course. Use your dinner knife and dinner fork. This is the basic one. No need to put the what do you call it? The fish knife or fish or the steak knife yet. Just put the basic one. So take this one. Okay. Then you measure. Okay. Do not be too close. Do not be too far away. I don't want you all to set like this. This is too far. I don't want you too close. Alright? At least like this.